Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell, and what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure to tell you guys about it. I also upload a lot, as well as sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell and you'll be all set. For people that are already subscribed to my channel, first of all, thank you. But also at any time you can press that notification bell and then you'll start getting that email from YouTube as well. All right? Also, I just want to make sure while I'm thinking about it, if you guys have an opportunity, and I really hope you do, it takes a second. Right underneath this video, there is a thumbs up. And if you press it, the number will change and it will turn blue, which means you're helping support me and my channel and helping me tell YouTube to put my video in front of other people that have not met me yet but enjoy this type of content. So the more thumbs up we get, then YouTube kind of gives us a shout out by putting us in other people's feeds, like I said, who enjoy this type of content but just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today is a day that we received, and this has been the month of July where every day has been a surprise that I am getting. This box wasn't expected for a little bit and it already arrived early. So no complaints when things come early, it's just very unexpected. And this is an order that I placed on Sephora. They're still offering that free ship. So I took advantage of that and I was able to get this one item that I was really excited to get. This was a $29 US package, and I already had 500 points sitting in my Sephora account, and now Sephora for 500 points will give you $10 off. So what I did was I used those points to get the $10 off, and then you still get points for your new purchase. So I ended up with 19 points because that's how it took the $10 off from the 29, and then I got the 19 points. So this one here is one of their newest kits. It's called Sephora Favorites, and it's called Give Me Some Shine. And these are the items that we're going to be going through. I have a couple already that I just want to show you. They're not exactly the same, so that we can compare them too. I have a Fenty that I got in another kit that's called Fenty Glow, and I'll compare it to this Fenty, which is called Fussy. And this Lip Extreme from Too Faced, this is their Lip Injection Extreme, and I have the original Lip Injection, so I will show you and I will swatch both of those for you guys here today. So let's go through this. I think this is a really exciting kit, and I love when these type of kits come out with these type of colors, especially in the summertime, because I love all of these, and I'm really excited. There's a Patrick Ta in here, which I'm really excited to try. That's going to be an introduction to his line to me. And I don't know if you remember this, but these were these fantastic Lancome Jiucy tubes. Years ago, and I mean years ago, they were all the rage, and I had almost every color. So excited to be able to share that with you guys today too. So this is a limited edition. It is an exclusive and it's online only, but I don't think anyone's going to the stores anyway. So that's what I have written down here. And it's called Give Me Some Shine Balm and Gloss Lip Set. And I don't know if I mentioned, this is an $84 value. That is $29, and like I said, I had that $10 discount, so this costs me the $20 or $19 plus tax. That and with that code free ship, I got this to my door. All right. You also get to choose two samples. The samples at Sephora are nothing to write home about. So what I ended up choosing was the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. There is so little in here. I thought the package was going to be empty, but at least I'll have an opportunity at least to get one try out of it. And that's what I chose for my first one. And for the second one, I chose this, and it's a full card of this foundation, which is from Pat McGrath Labs. It's called Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation, and those are all the shades that are in here. So I figured at least if there's not enough, I can try to mix a couple of the the samples that are in here. But like I said, if you feel this, you would think they were empty. So those are what they consider samples at Sephora. All right, so let's go through this. So they're saying there is going to be a set of 5 must-have lip balms and glosses for hydrating and plumping your look. The first one that I'm going to pull out is the one that I'm really excited about. And this is what pretty much told me to get this kit. But everyone in here, I think, is an absolute winner. This one is from Fenty Beauty. And this one, like I said, is in the color, if you're not familiar, Fenty Beauty is a line that is developed by Rihanna. And it's her gloss balm, which is, to me, fantastic. And they're saying this is the Universal Lip Luminizer, and the color that we got for this one is in Fussy. And then the one that I have that I want to show you guys and compare you to is the first one that she came out with, which is called Glow. So those are what the differences are. And this I got in a kit that came with, I think, 2 other items that were from Fenty that I was able to try. It was one of those Christmas, gifts. And then this one here is the one, that's in this package. And it's a far larger one than the one that I got even in the kit. So I think this might be the full size, which I'm really, really excited about. Okay, so let's do some swatching. All right, this one here, that is what the doe foot applicator looks like. And it's so beautiful. And this is what this looks like here. And I'm really getting really happy that a lot of the products that we're getting now, there seems to be a click, and I don't know if I'm hearing it for the first time, but I've gotten a couple of high-end mascaras, but I want you to hear it on this as well. And I love that, because to me, that's making sure that I close it and that it is extra, sealed. This one here is, you can see on the top, it has that Fenty Beauty logo. And then on the one that I have here, which is the original, it's same logo. Well, you know what I should do? Let me just double check the size of the applicator, because usually in the sample size, I know when it comes to mascaras, they use the same applicator, and it looks like it's the same thing when they're doing these smaller sample sizes of this. So the applicator is exactly the same, which is really good to know. I like that. So this way you're getting a true sample of how it will apply on your lips. And then this one here is just a little bit deeper than the new one that we got, Fussy. And that one here is the one that we just did. So this one is the one that's in the package, and this one here is the sample size that I had, which is her original Glow, which you might already have this at home. So this is the newer one, that is the first one there. All right, I'm just gonna remove that so that we can definitely have the, on my hand, what came in the package. So we're back to the first one, which is called Fussy. The next one is from Nars. Nars packaging is always right out of the park. It is fantastic. They really, truly, it's a home run every time. This one is in a gorgeous rose gold. They always do their name in such a unique way that every letter is almost on every, corner of the actual packaging. It is just stunning. And this one here looks like it's gonna go on more like a balm. That is the gorgeous color that we're receiving here. And this is what the packaging looks like. And this one is in the Nars Afterglow. It is a lip balm. And this is in their famous, what they seem to be naming almost everything now. Their blush was Orgasm. It is one of the most perfect blushes. It's a mixture of pink and coral. And now they're coming out with a whole Orgasm line. And this is their lip balm. So let's just do a swipe here. And I'm just gonna do a couple just so that it goes onto the camera, but it went on so smoothly and so beautifully. This is a fantastic kit, and I wanna get this up right away to you guys. So while it's still available, because it is limited edition, you guys can get your hands on it. The next one is from Lancome, and this is the Jiucy Tubes Original Lip Gloss. And the color that they're put in our package today is the name Spell. And these always come with this fantastic applicator that is attached to the product, but it has that angle, which makes it really easy for you to put on the lips. And then this one here, there's something about this product. It is, from my memory, a little bit stickier, but the colors and the juiciness, and it really helps your lips look plump without you getting that crazy feeling. I really enjoyed these, so I'm happy that these are starting to become popular again. So really happy that that's in here. So that, once again, is in the color Spell. The next one is the one I'm really excited to try because it's my first item from this brand, and it is Tatcha. From what I understand, he is a really famous makeup artist, and this is in the color Major Glow, and they're saying it is a lip shine. And it also says on the bottom here, she's expensive. And this is what also another rose gold. There's something about rose gold that makes everything look really rich. This one here in Luxurious, that's what the applicator looks like on here. And I'm sure this one is going to just be a clear. So I will try my best to get it so that you guys can see it on here. All right. That's what it looks like there. Try to get the light to get it. Look how shiny everything is. Just beautiful. And then the last item that we got is the lip injection, which is the Extreme. That's the one that we got in the package today. And I have mine here, which we will swatch, which is just in the regular. And I'm a little nervous about it being what they call Extreme because the regular one had some kick to it when you put it on your lips. So I'm not sure. I'm going to do it above here. I'm not sure. So it's also that clear product that you put on. But I know with these products, they are what they call lip injection, means they're going to plump up your lips. And I know the original one really had a good little kick to it, like I said. So I'm going to have to try the Extreme and then figure out, you know, if I can handle it. So that's this one here. And then the one that's regular, I obviously used it over a lipstick, so that's why I always tell you guys, be very careful because your applicator will change to the color of the lipstick that you used it with. This here, you could see it was over a pink lipstick, so the applicator became a little pink, and the inside formula became also with a little bit of a hint of a pink. So if you're seeing any hint of pink when I'm putting it on, which it doesn't look like it's doing that, I was afraid that it would do that, and then you would think you were going to get a pink one, and you're not. So this is not the one that's in the box. This is the normal one, the original one. And then you can see they look exactly the same on the lips, but I'm sure the other one is a little bit stronger, so it might do a bigger plumping effect because it is called Lip Injection Extreme. All right. So that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. I think this is a fantastic, it's one of their brand newest kits. When it popped up, I immediately went to grab it because I love lip kits. And for me, I knew I had that $10 pending. I was just waiting to see what I could spend it on. And I double checked to make sure that code-free ship worked. And then I was able to get this home. So this was a fantastic, to me, this is a win-win. And I truly think that Fenty one might be a full size. So once again, what we got in the box was this, which I think is full size. If not, it's close to it. This one is the Fenty Beauty in Fussy. We got the Nars one in Afterglow Lip Balm in Orgasm. We then received the Lancome, which is the Jiucy Tubes Original Lip Gloss. And this one is in Spell, as well as the Tatcha we got. And this one is She's Expensive. And then the final item we got was the lip injection from Too Faced in the Extreme. So to me, I think this is a win-win, and I always want to share with you guys when I think there is something new out there that you guys can still get your hands on. And like I said, it is a limited edition. It's under Sephora favorites. So if you type in the search bar Sephora favorites, you will see a lot of different kits, but this is their newest one. And like I said, it's a $29 purchase. But there's $84 value inside this little kit, and I think it's a win-win. And also you'll get to choose a couple of samples, but like I said, choose them, but don't get your hopes too high. All right, that's it for today. Once again, I want to thank everybody for taking any time out of their day to spend it with me here. I appreciate it so much. But also, more importantly than anything, I want everybody to continue to stay safe and stay well, because if we don't have our health, all of this you will not be able to enjoy. So I want to make sure that you continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.